Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook story not showing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to click on the three top buttons that you can see on the left side. Then from here, once you open it, you're going to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you're going to click on the first button that says settings. Once you click on settings, then it's going to show you to this page, and all you have to do is to search in the settings right here for stories. Once you search right here for stories, then it's going to load the stories option. Click on that. Once it loads the stories option, just click on who can see your stories. And then from here you can see multiple different options, and you want to make sure that your stories are either public or in friends. So sometimes it can be either fully private or custom. So you want to make sure that it is selected on public. And that is pretty much it. Very easy fix. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.